Hello, everyone. For the ones who don't know me, my name is Marc. Come from London. Yeah, you can find me online under the name Data Pythonista. I come with a confession. I don't have a topic for this lightning talk. I love to give lightning talks, but I couldn't come with a topic for this one yet. The first thing I thought about giving a lightning talk was like, why not talk about deep learning? Everybody loves deep learning, but I find it a bit overrated. Personally, I think it's not even good at solving simple problems like classifying chihuahuas from muffins. So yeah, I'm not a big fan of deep learning, so I thought, why not talk about something much more established, something that it's perfect, like Vim, for example, my favorite editor. How many Vim users here? But yeah, there is some people that have small complaints about Vim. I don't know if you've seen that. So yeah, maybe it's also a tricky topic to talk about. So I said, let's talk about Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook got some awards, and I think very deserved. Actually, Jupyter, I think there is a misconception. I think most people see Jupyter as a fancy interpreter for Python. Actually, Jupyter is an amazing application that you connect to a kernel, and if the kernel is running Python code, it will run Python code, but you can do anything you want. And previously, I gave a lightning talk because after discovering this, I thought, why not implement something really amazing? Why not use deep learning, blockchain, the Internet of Things, and everything we have today to build a kernel, and a kernel can run any code. Jupyter Notebook can already run PHP, C++, R code. So let's build something. And then I said, yeah, but running code is simple. Let's provide useful feedback for people using these techniques. So for example, for people using MATLAB, I came up with this program that, using all these techniques, provides this feedback. Also for PHP, it's like, I think it's really getting into the artificial intelligence level. Also BASIC, of course, after Microsoft purchased GitHub, I assume that soon we'll have BASIC in most of the repos. So Jupyter Notebook, this kernel, it's named GrandPy, this kernel. You can find it online. So then I thought, OK, I like to organize pub quizzes. And I thought, why not use the time of a lightning talk also to let people learn more about Python and ask questions? And I found, let's ask some questions. Do you know, any of you, I think it's quite simple code, do you know what this returns or what this code prints? Anyone? OK, let's try. OK, this crashes, actually. It seems a very simple code, but Python is tricky. Even when you think that you start to understand Python, actually you are not. So don't stop learning. I think when you're starting, you usually find Python is very tricky. Then at some point you think that you know everything. Don't stop learning, because even after 12 years, I think I've been working in Python, I learn new things every day. Then I wanted to ask this question also in pub quizzes. The problem is that Jupyter developers are a bit ahead. Yeah, Carol, you are doing the job of trolls like me very hard. So this is my favorite question in pub quizzes. When you don't have the tab here very well clear, people always fail this question that it's like, OK, this code looks like it will work, but it's an inconsistent use of spaces and indentation. So the final topic I was thinking on talking is my favorite topic. I was talking about that at SciPy this year. It's about this interesting phenomenon of scientific Python programmers not liking the name of the model. They will alias everything. It doesn't matter if your model has one letter, they will find an alias for that. So yeah, you'll see NP and PD, and if you start checking other packages, everything is aliases. And I thought, it must be another way to do that, because if saving from NumPy to MP, you are saving 3 characters. So why not try to save 4? That would be much more amazing. With NumPy, I didn't succeed. I tried hard, but I couldn't. The good news is that I did with pandas. Problem is that it was a pull request to make this code work because Unicode code not always work, and Guido closed it as a joke. It looks like it's a reason for closing pull requests. So yeah, the final topic I thought for my lightning talk was about open source, free software. I just have 5 seconds. Just to let you know, I contribute to Pandas. There is a lot of work to do in every single open source project, and it's like people required. People experienced in Python and that need to contribute more to the projects, but we are all part of these projects. People new to the community, this is not open source software or free software is not something that you download from the internet. It's something that we're all building together, and you need to be part of it. Thank you very much.